Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website using Google Sites. Now this is very quick and easy. Anyone can create a website using Google Sites. And that's why I'm making this video. I will show you guys step by step on how you can create a website, a beautiful website, in just a few minutes. Okay. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for Google Sites on Google. Okay. Now after that, you want to select here Google Sites, sign in, the first result. Now, as you can see here, guys, what you need, this is the homepage of Google Sites. Now you can start creating your own website. Now you can start from scratch if you want. You can just get like the blank site. You can add anything. You can start from scratch. But what I recommend, guys, you want to click on template gallery here in the top right, and then you will find a template that is already made that you can customize. Okay, now even if it has nothing to do with the business industry you are interested in, for example, if you want to create an online store and you select, for example, a template like let's say small businesses, a restaurant, you can customize this to any business industry you want. I hope it makes sense. I will explain it. I will explain this in a few seconds what I mean exactly. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, for example, you want to go with this template, which is a restaurant. Okay, so now as you can see, it gave you here the restaurant name. Now what you need to do, guys, first is you want to upload a logo for your business. Now you want to click on the settings, this gear button in the top right, and you want to click here where it says brand images, and you want to upload the logo. As you can see, it says here logo. Click on upload logo. I'm going to upload my logo right now. Now this is my logo. You can also add here the alt text. Alt text is accessed by the screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content. Now I will add, for example, flowers, something like that. Okay, you can also add a favicon. This favicon is like people will see it. It's just you don't really have to add it. It's not that important, but it just appears like if someone visits your site, you will see your favicon in the top of your site. Okay, it's not really that important. Okay, as you can see, this is the logo that I have added, and you can move this logo anywhere you want. You can put it, for example, you can just click on edit logo, and you can move this logo anywhere you want. Now I have put it here, as you can see, and here it says restaurants, but I am not going to make a website about restaurants. I'm going to make, for example, a website about flowers. Okay, I'm going to your flowers, something like that. This is just an example. Now it says here restaurant name. You just need to come up with a name for your website. Okay, for example, I would like to create a website about flowers. I'm going to say, for example, get your dream flowers or something like that. Okay, and then you can move this as you want. I'm going to change the text. You can also change the font, for example, here. Now just highlight all the text, and you can change, for example, the text. There's a lot of tools here. You can also add an emoji if you want. For example, I'm going to add this emoji. Okay, you can add that emoji if you want. Now as you can see here, just add a text that people will see your dream flowers, and you can change the text. As you can see, the theme, I'm going to change it to impact. Okay, so I think it looks good. Here, as you can see where it says here short your tagline, you can also delete this. It's not important. Okay, you can also, for example, change the header type. If you click here, or it says if you click right here, you will see here header type. You can make the banner larger. You can make it the title only, like this. You can just click on cover, large banner. Okay, title only, and you can move this title anywhere you want. So for example, I'm going to move it here. Click here to text. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to move this text here. Okay, here Okay, it looks good here. Now as you can see, this reservation, you just need to delete this one. As you can see, just delete, and you can put something else here. For example, I'm going to copy a text, for example, have a natural look, and in your home or something that's easy to give for. Now I'm going to add a text here like this, and I'm going to make it bigger. You can just customize this as you want. There are a lot of features here. If you click on where it says here normal text, you can change it to this text. For example, you can change it to heading, and you can also make this text bigger. If you see, just highlight all the text, and then you want to enter here the 12. The more you choose, the higher number means the text is going to be bigger. And if you scroll down here, this is the image that has nothing to do with the flowers. So just click on the image here. Sorry, I'm going to click here. Click on the image, and you want to click on this 3 little dots, and then click replace image. Click on upload, and you can get an image from your laptop. Okay, I'm going to select, for example, this image. Okay, as you can see, this is the image. This is the image I want to use for my flower product. Okay, now flower online store. As you can see, I'm going to, for example, sell flowers on this Google site. Now tell site viewers about your established in a few sentences. You just need to tell the your customers about what this site is about. For example, I'm going to add something like are great for busy folks with income or for home but don't have time for live. Okay, I'm going to add this text, for example, here, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to change the font. Okay, okay, as you can see here, guys, you can make this a little bit bigger. You can also move this anywhere you want, for example here. Okay, so you can also add the payment method. I'm going to be showing you how we can do that in a few seconds. Now as you can see here, guys, where it says here insert, you want to click here insert, and you can insert, for example, your products here. If you select here this plus, click on upload, you can select here the picture of the product here, or you can add multiple pictures. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. If you want to add multiple pictures of the product, for example, or you just want to add the random picture and you want to create content about related to the picture. For example, you want to create a news website, you can just add the picture of someone here, and then you just type the content here about the picture, okay, that has something to do with the picture. Now I'm going to add, for example, this one again, and I'm going to make it bigger. Then I'm going to change the font, which is going to impact. Okay, it doesn't look that good. I'm going to change it, for example, to open normal. I'm going to change it to blue. Okay, this one really looks good. Now here you can delete this section if you want, this site, and you can add PayPal button here, so people, if they like a product, or you don't have to add the PayPal button if you want. If you just, for example, if you are creating a website, for example, or anything like that. If you want to add multiple, for example, you want to add multiple images, for example, you are selling product and you want to add multiple images, you can do that. It's very easy. Just scroll down and click on image here, then you want to click this plus, click on upload images, and you can select multiple images. Click on open, select the one that you want to stand out, okay, the default one, and you can create content. Like you can add a text about this specific product here. If you click on insert, you want to find here a text box, and you can move it. This text box you can press and hold here and move this here. Okay, I'm going to do that right now, and then you can create content about this product. For example, I'm going to add whole text here, and you can make it bigger if you want. You can add the PayPal button. You can create multiple pages. Okay, you can create, for example, if you click here where it says pages, It says here contact us chef. I'm going to delete this chef because it has nothing to do with the business that we are creating about. For example, contact us. If you go to contact us page, you can add here your location if you want. Just add the location, for example this one. Click on select and people will be able to know your store. If you have like like if you want to sell in person, people will be able to get the location of your store. And you will, if you click on contact us here, this contact us, you can change it to yeah, you can add, for example, yeah, contact us, you can add here the location. As you can see here, the menu, you can add, for example, anything that is related to your business. Okay, you can also, if you have a restaurant, you can get the, for example, the like the food here, and then you can give the prices here, a name of the specific food, and then the price is going to be here, so people will know exactly what they are going to pay after they come to your store. If you are going to create a different store than an online store, okay, people will purchase inside the store. Now you can add, if you click this plus, you can also add the new page. You can add page, for example, about, if you select here about us, click done, you can add to this about us section, you can add a text like we are a company about we sell flowers and stuff like that. And then after you finish, guys, customizing this, you can also add different layouts here. You can add another you know, you can add an image again about related to your company. And then, for example, we sell the best flowers you have ever seen, something like that. Okay, now after you finish, guys, customizing your store, here you will find like menu, contact us, home. The default page is going to be home. As you can see, people will be able to see your website here. As you can see here, you can customize this as you want. You can also embed a code if you want to add a YouTube video about your business. Go to YouTube and find, for example, flowers. Okay, for example, this one. Just copy the URL and then go back here and then click on by URL, paste that here, and then click insert, and you can put that video here if it's related to your company. For example, I'm going to put it here so people will be able to see my video here if they click on that. Now, if you want to see how this is going to look on the mobile version, or like mobile or laptop, just click here, and then you can choose how, like if you want to see how this website looks on mobile, you can just click phone, and this is how it's going to look on mobile. This is the video that we have inserted. This is the page. Okay, bring natural touch to your indoor spaces. Okay, you can see how it looks on your computer, as you can see here. So people will be able to see the different pictures, as you can see here. So to add the payment method, for example, if you want to sell physical products and you want to add payment method here, so that way people will pay for these products, just click the video in the screen and drop a like on this video first, please, guys, and watch the video in the screen. It will show you exactly how you can add payment methods to your Google site so that you can receive payments. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. After you finish, by the way, you want to click on publish in the top right. Okay, in the top right, click on publish and just enter here your web address and then click publish, and that's it. Okay, click on publish again, and this is publish with confidence. Got it. All right, now that's exactly, guys, how you can create a beautiful website using Google Sites. Now this is the site that we have created. Okay, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and you can share this site with anyone. You can do that. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Drop a like and